to enjoy the sea. Freaking you, is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me.
I've decided to start back vlogging for 2024. So this channel will be strictly not makeup related or beauty related. It'll be vlogs and other stuff that I just want to post. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, share it. Also, I just wanted to come on to just, start the vlog off. I'm not really sure what direction I want to go with this. I am vlogging on my phone for right now. I do have a different camera, but I'm just, just trying to get back into the feel of it because I stopped vlogging early of last year on my primary channel. So I will link that channel there in case you want to subscribe to that. That's makeup, skincare, anything beauty related if you're into that. Today is Friday, December 29th. I hope everyone had a very, very, very Merry Christmas, was with your family, got all of the gifts that you wanted and wished for. So right now, it is like 5:20 in the evening, starting this off super, super duper late. But honestly, this was just like a spur of the moment type thing for me to like get this rolling. And I'm like, okay, 2024, Marion, you're going to be more consistent with the things that you say you want to do and stick to them. So I'm going to hold myself accountable to that. And I'm hoping that you guys will also hold me accountable. So I just wanted to come on and introduce this vlog. And right now I'm about to clean up and then I'll probably be back later on. everyone. It is Saturday, December 30th. Yeah, December 30th. And I am on my way to, well, I was going to Walmart, but I done got lazy and I'm hungry. It's 2:12 and I have to be at my cousin's birthday painting with a twist for 4:15, but I haven't had anything to eat because I've spent majority of my morning cleaning up and learning how to edit on CapCut. I don't know, I was watching my niece's vlog and I like her intro and the little different effects that she had going on in her vlog. So I was just like, let me try something different other than iMovie. I do eventually plan on getting like Final Cut Pro, but for now CapCut will do. So it is 65 degrees out here. Man, my seat, Kinley must have adjusted my seat. I'm taller than her, but I like my seat closer, and I don't know, but anyways, just rambling. So I don't have much else going on today besides the painting with the painting with the twist, and I need to come back and finish cleaning up my bathroom. I need to reorganize all of my hair tools that are under my sink because it is a hot mess when I'm in a rush to get ready to go to work or whatnot. I just be throwing stuff everywhere, so pretty much I need to organize that. Okay, I like this angle much better than the other. I went in Kroger and bought way more than what I was supposed to. Got these nuggets they were gonna sell, Christmas nuggets. I'm gonna be breaking out more. I already had like Nestle Crunch and now I'm about to break out from that, but I can deal with it. And then a bunch of chips for Kelly and me. Don't need that. And then they have a lot of the holiday kits 50% off, so I went and I got like a storage bin. I guess that'll help with my declutter organization in my bathroom. I need to go back because they had some other bins that was on sale 50% off. I love Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Got this was on sale. It never fails. Whenever I go into a store, I see a sale, I'm like, ooh, I gotta get it. I need to look decent for a birthday celebration. So I'm gonna do a quick beat. Nothing fancy, nothing glam, no eyeshadow or whatnot. Just look a little cute. I don't even know what I'm wearing. Hey, we like to party. Hey. Okay, so I am on my way to painting with a twist. It says 15 minutes away. There's a wreck on the not the freeway, but the beltway. It is 5:12. I don't know why I thought it started at 4:30, but I'm glad I checked the text message because it starts at 5:30. It says I'll get there in 15 minutes. So let us pray. I didn't get to curl my hair because time be going by fast. I be thinking that, well, I was procrastinating.
Right towards the center. Up and down. Think of painting a pen. Just go up and down.
I was yelling at the toilet because I thought I could do this. Right.
That's what she said, Joe. She said yellow, white, not blue.
You want to make your color darker, that's fine. You can do whatever you
You're a
want.
little special.
mean, you're the one who's going to take a look at it. Pink and white. And I'm bringing it all the way down. My yellow.
I'm exhausted.
Like I said, it's okay if your yellow gets in there. Look, my yellow got filled up.
Why your picture?
Sorry, like it's gonna take a minute. We still have a whole.
They got the drive, guys.
Bring them like this.
Make it see things. You can as well. Can I get benefits for every? No, but you can get
Ooh. I just said green and yellow. Girl, cause
I ain't gonna even lie, I messed up 10 cents.
correct.
I think it's okay to freestyle. I feel like the freestyle.
You gotta follow what she said. Your freestyle come out.
You know what? That's what I am. I'm your pay by number. Alright, once you get that, put your brush in the water. We're gonna take a little break. Thank you.
More alcohol.
Which one did I just open? On my way. And I win again, and I win again, and I win again, and I win again. I'm gonna have to,
Whatever works.
I'm just surprised I don't have like no type of plastic. I don't want to use none of my forks. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna use this other one I got. Man, this is the big one. Fold this up for me. Okay, I got berry. You want to layer it with some watermelon?
Yeah, sure, I guess. It already went in, so it already was committed, so I'm like, yeah, okay.
I mean, hey, you know, I'm just asking. I'm just asking. Oh, I can't even talk. Shit. Get out your phone and help me.
Yes, Queen. What you
Some organization around here. Can you fold that up
Oh, you did.
for
something.
me?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, see, you was.
I forgot. I forgot.
Little cute 24 glasses.
Your battery ain't dead.
It's on 100%.
Okay.
It better not. I mean, this battery here, I feel like somebody returned this camera. Because the battery life on here is just not what's up. But there's one on Amazon that I'm going to eventually get.
You got salt? Oh, you got this salt. Okay, I thought you.
No, because I had the salt that I had is expired from
Salt don't expire?
or was it the sugar that expired?
Salt don't expire. Salt natural.
I don't know. I probably I threw it away then. I was thinking like
Yeah.
it was clumpy or whatnot. So
Nah, I mean, you hear that stuff has expiration date, but salt is natural.
I really changed these light bulbs in here. This yellow is killing me.
I really wanted to take somebody out. Wait 2 years out today. Like, what's poppin', motherfucker? Well, nah, let me stop.